Hello students, welcome back to e-learning classes, subject English, chapter 1, Boundless Nature. Up till now we have done up till activity 7. I hope you must have understood and written. If you have not written, I will send the PDF of all the activities on Saturday. Today we'll start activity 8. God has provided herbs for the treatment of illness. Here God means the nature, the mother nature. So we have so many herbs in nature. Do you always need to rush to a doctor when you are feeling unwell or have some complaints like cough, cold or toothache? Can you get it treated by your mother or grandmother? Nowadays we just rush to the doctor. But if you ask your mother or grandmother, they will give you so many tips for cough, for indigestion and for toothache. For example, for cough we have ginger tea, hot soup, hot water mixture of honey, lemon and turmeric. For indigestion we have the apple cider vinegar, baking soda, herbal tea, fennel seed, ginger, lemon juice, carom seed. All these are very helpful. For toothache also we have salt and pepper, garlic, clove or clove oil and onion. So how you use them, you just ask your parents and you may write it down. Now we move on to activity 9, nature conservation. Now what is the meaning of conservation? It means to save the environment. On earth there is no heaven, but there are pieces of it and we call it nature. And as a human being, we throw all the waste here and there and spoil the beauty of nature. But you should always remember that if you save the environment, you will save life and future. Cleaning up the environment may seem big to a problem, but if everyone plays their own role, then the whole world will become a cleaner place. We are never too young to help. The steps here can lead to a clean and healthy environment for a better living. Now if we follow this step, we can help our Mother Nature. The first step is recycle. In this also, it is reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce means you should avoid waste and you can reuse a thing. And the waste should be separated so that it may be transformed into new thing. The second step is conserve energy, means you should save the energy like electricity and water. You should switch off the fans and light and close the tap once you have done your activity. Third step is use earth-friendly product, means you should avoid plastics. Fourth one, stay active, means you should do your exercise daily. Use a bicycle to go nearby. Don't use your car or motorcycle. Sixth is have a clean neighborhood cleanup, means you should clean your surrounding also. It is not necessary that your house is clean but your neighborhood is dirty. Then from there the dirt will come inside your house. So your neighborhood also should be clean. Last is you should donate toys, books, CD that you do not want anymore. So you should donate it. Don't throw here and there. I hope children you understood this activity. On Friday I will give you the PDF of activity 2, that is the story of Orange, the hard words and the question and answers. And on Saturday I will be giving you the PDF of all the activities we have done till date. So if you have not written till now, from the PDF you can easily write. Thank you dear children and enjoy the learning.